What is up, the boys? Hello, what is up, guys? My name is Little Fighter. Welcome back to Will Reactster. I know I said I was doing the bulk session all 6 in one, but we took a chill pill yesterday. Actually did some packing, which I've only just finished now. But we have 2 more reacts to record before I go on holiday. And today we have something that I am very, very excited for. We have crazy car crash compilation, best of driving fails, USA, Canada, UK, and more. I thought before I go on holiday, get a bit of laughter in, get a bit of terrible car crashing in, terrible driving. It's 11 minutes long. Let's head over to my react screen. And here we are. Car crash compilation. It's 11 minutes. Let's see how stupid people are.
80. A little more. 85. 84.
Why is this woman talking?
Oh, they're turned. They have a turn signal on.
What?
Oh. I honked. They put it on? Yes.
Americans.
Oh, God. Holy
Ooh.
U.S. Congress.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Wow.
I missed that. I was looking straight on. Ooh.
Senate and House of Representatives.
Fully flipped the car. Ooh. Ow. You could just see the airbag explode moments before impact. What do you mean? Ooh. That's a hefty insurance claim. This isn't gonna go well, is it? That Ford's already, like, beaten up a bit. He's gonna hit right in the back, isn't he? Oh, no. Yep. Why?
Oh my God.
It's all just Americans, isn't it? His car was already dented. Oh, why is he speeding up like that? What's gonna happen? Oh, is this car gonna get hit by this lorry? This car's gonna get hit by the lorry. Ooh. Ooh. The lorry did well to stop there. Oh. He's gonna have a headache in the morning. I love how it just speeds up. We're gonna just show us what? How? How are you so stupid? What do you mean? How did that guy just casually swerve off? Oh, what's this motorcyclist gonna do? What? This is just typically American. This is just typically American. Is this car gonna try like push its way through or something? Or is someone gonna... Someone was definitely on their phone there. How that happened, I do not know. Some of these you watch them and you're like, how can people be so stupid? His motorcyclist gonna crash. Okay, he's looking his shoulders, he's doing alright. Is someone gonna try like turn into his lane without looking? Oh, yeah. That was like such little impact. But just went dink. Hey, it's alright, Dom Toretto's driving. He's just gonna like walk out and then go fight some bad guys. Well, we got a night one. Is he gonna? What is he doing? What? He's running the red light. He's going to get hit. Or he's gonna get caught by the police. That is why you don't run red lights in America. Tickets, like this stuff's all confusing. What? Why have we got a lawnmower? What? You're gonna hit the tree? He's on the... What's he hit? Has he gone over a bridge? Oh no, he's... I don't even know how that happens. Yellow car, yellow car. I feel the yellow car is going to try cut across the lane. No. Possibly. Yellow car is cutting across the lane. Yep. I was right. Yep, definitely America. Could see what was going to happen from a mile away. I didn't see it was towing a car, though. What's he going to do? Drive past him. We have a Ford speeding into lots of traffic. Is he going to try swerve in and out of it, or is he just going to drive into the back of someone? Oh, he tries to cut into the lane and is trying to cut through the middle of them and skims the car. What a idiot. Is he going to get pulled over? Ooh. I don't know whose fault that is. Whose fault technically is that, realistically? And we have someone parked. Ooh. Just skimmed the side of his car off. What deep? Are we seeing it again in slow motion? Ooh, yeah, black car's fault. Black car's following too closely. And there we go. That is the end of the compilation. It was alright. It wasn't the best compilation in the world. I am getting someone soon to be my compilation guy. Find clips for me and make compilations, which I'll be watching soon, very soon. So yeah, but unfortunately, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed this crazy car crash compilation. Some of them were bad, some of them weren't too bad. Unfortunately, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. See you on Wednesday for the next reacts. Peace. Thank you for watching me watch things. If you want to continue watching me watch things, consider subscribing here. Or if you want to see what YouTube has recommended you watch of me watching things, click the video here.